Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine at home. This is your English lesson and today's topic is writing of A to L in proper formation. So let's start our lesson. First we will write letter A. Starting from the dot and draw slanting line by touching the third line. Draw another slanting line by touching the third line and draw a sleeping line in the middle of these lines. This is letter A and A sound is A. Now we will write letter A. Make starting from the dot, make by touching the third line, then go up and come down and make a loop. A sound is A. Now we will write letter B. Starting from the dot, come down, straight standing line by touching the third line, then draw first belly from the first line and touch the second line, then draw another belly by touching the third line. This is letter B. And now we will write sound of B is B. Starting from the dot and draw a straight standing line by touching the third line and draw a belly starting from the second line and touch the third line. This is the sound of B. B, B. Now we will write letter C. C is look like crescent. So we will write start from the dot, make a curve like this and touch the third line. This is letter C. Now we will write sound of C is K. Start from the dot and make K. In center two lines. C sound is K. Now we will write letter D. Start from the dot and draw straight standing line by touching the third line and make a big belly from the first line and touch the third line. This is letter D and the D sound is D. Start from the second line, make K, then go up straight standing line and again come down and make a loop. This is letter D. D, D. Now we will write letter E. Starting from the dot and draw straight standing line by touching the third line and draw three sleeping lines on these lines. This is letter E. Now we will write E sound is A. Starting from the dot, go up, touch the second line, then make K and touch the third line. This is A. E sound is A. Now we will write letter F. Starting from the dot, draw straight standing line by touching the third line and draw two sleeping line. One is on the first line and other is on the second line. This is letter F and the F sound is F. Starting from the dot, then go up. From the first line, come down and touch the third line and draw one line on the second line. This is sound of F, F. Okay, now we will write letter G. First we will make C from the first line like this. First we will make C, then go up straight and draw one sleeping line on the second line. This is letter G and the sound of G is G. First you have to start from the dot, make K, go up, come down and make a monkey tail by touching the fourth line. This is sound of G. G. Now we will write letter H. Starting from the dot, draw straight standing line by touching the third line and draw another straight standing line on the third line and draw one slipping line in the middle of these lines. This is letter of H and the H sound is H. Starting from the dot, draw straight standing line by touching the third line, then go up and make a H. This is H. H sound is H. Now we will write letter I. Starting from the dot, then come down and make straight standing line and draw one slipping line on the first line and draw another slipping line on the third line. This is letter I and I sound is E. E start from the second line and touch the third line and put one dot over it. This is E. I sound is E. Now we will write letter J. Starting from the dot, come down and make a monkey tail on the third line and draw one slipping line on the first line. This is letter J. Now we will write sound of J is J. Starting from the second line or dot, draw a straight standing line by touching the fourth line and then make a monkey tail. This is letter J and put dot on it. Now we will write letter K. Starting from the dot and draw one straight standing line by touching the third line and draw one slanting line from the first line, which one is touching the second line, and draw one other slanting line by touching the third line. Okay, now we will write K sound is K. Start from the dot, come down straight and touch the third line and draw two slanting lines in between two center lines like this. This is the sound of K. K sound is K. Now we will write letter L. Start from the dot and draw one straight standing line by touching the third line and draw one slipping line on the third line. This is letter L and L sound is L. Start from the dot, come down straight and make a monkey tail like this. This is sound of L. L sound is L. Okay, you have to do more practice at home. Thanks.